Unpacking Battery Replacement, a Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common but crucial topic that pops up in everyday conversations, especially when dealing with electronics: battery replacement. We'll explore what it means, when you might need it, and a few tips to keep in mind. So, let's get started and shed some light on this important process. At its core, battery replacement involves removing a used or dead battery from an electronic device and substituting it with a new one. This process is essential for keeping your devices powered and functional. Batteries can be found in a wide array of devices, from the remote control for your TV to the smartphone you use daily. Knowing when to replace a battery is just as important as knowing how. Here are a few signs. 1. Device won't turn on, the most obvious sign that you need a new battery. 2. Shorter battery life. If your device doesn't last as long as it used to, it might be time for a new battery. 3. Slow performance. Some devices slow down when their battery is failing. 4. Physical battery damage. Swelling, leaking, or any damage to the battery itself is a clear indicator. There are mainly two types of batteries you'll encounter. 1. Non-rechargeable batteries. These are typically used in smaller devices like remote controls and need to be replaced once depleted. 2. Rechargeable batteries, found in laptops and smartphones. These can be charged multiple times but will eventually wear out and require replacement. The process of replacing a battery can vary widely depending on the device. However, here are some general steps. 1. Ensure the device is off. Always turn off the device to avoid any electrical mishaps. 2. Remove the old battery. This might require unscrewing a compartment or simply sliding the battery out. 3. Insert the new battery. Make sure it's the correct size and type. Also, align the positive, plus, and negative terminals correctly. 4. Dispose of the old battery properly. Batteries should not be thrown in the trash. Look for a local recycling center that accepts batteries. To extend the life of your batteries and devices, consider the following tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Both hot and cold can affect battery life. Charge properly. For rechargeable batteries, follow the manufacturer's instructions for charging cycles. Store batteries correctly. If not using a device for a long time, remove the batteries to prevent leakage. We hope this video has illuminated the process of battery replacement for you. Remember, timely replacing your device's battery can extend its lifespan and ensure it remains functional when you need it most. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.